Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at Todoist and I'm going to be giving my honest review so you can work out whether it's right for you. Now by the end of this video you're going to understand everything you need to know about Todoist and you'll be able to work out whether it's a good fit for you to boost your productivity. So to start with, what is Todoist? Todoist is one of the fastest growing task management platforms in the world. It provides users with a way to tally up their to-do lists, manage projects, and coordinate their next move. At first, it's simple. You can add tasks and complete them, but over time you'll discover the many features that lie beneath Todoist's surface. From scheduling weekly tasks, to setting reminders, to turning important emails into tasks. You can use Todoist to get things out of your head and into the system. You can add tasks and complete them every day, and you can also keep track of your tasks using the inbox, today, or upcoming views. So what are the main features of Todoist? To start with, task management. You can add tasks and complete them every day. You can also keep track of your tasks using your inbox, today, and upcoming views. There's also project organization, and projects can be used to organize bigger goals. There's also priority setting. This means that you can focus on the right thing by setting task priority levels. There's also reminders. Task reminders ensure that you'll never miss a thing. They also have comments and file uploads, meaning you can upload files and add information by adding task comments. They also have some collaboration features which allow you to work together by sharing your tasks and projects. Next up, they have browser extensions, and this means that you can add websites as tasks using browser extensions. There's also email integration, meaning emails can be added as tasks using plugins or forwarding. Next up, there's calendar sync. And this allows you to stay on top of a busy schedule by syncing your tasks with your calendar. And finally, there's labels. This allows tasks to be tagged and organised using labels. These features help you stay organised, manage your time effectively, and ensure that you're focusing on the right tasks at the right time. So what sort of apps does Todoist integrate with? Todoist actually integrates with a variety of apps and tools which can help you stay productive. It integrates with all sorts of tools such as project management tools, file sharing and content tools, time tracking tools, voice assistants, productivity tools, calendars, browsers, communication tools, automation tools, and many more. Integrating with some of these apps will enable you to automate tedious tasks and streamline your workflow. So what sort of pricing plans do they offer? To start with, there's a beginner plan. This is a free tier that includes 5 personal projects, 3 filter views, 1 week of activity history, and integrations with email, calendar, and more. Next up is the Pro plan, and this is priced at $4 per month, billed yearly. It includes everything in the beginners tier, plus 300 personal projects, 150 filter views, unlimited activity history, task reminders and duration, automatic backups, and an AI assistant. And then finally you have the business plan, and this tier costs $6 per member per month, billed yearly, and it includes everything in the Pro tier, plus a shared team workspace, 500 team projects, unlimited team members and guests, team roles and permissions, centralized team billing, and restricted projects. So we've talked about some of the positives of Todoist. What are the disadvantages? To start with, limited tools and integrations. Todoist could benefit from more extensive integrations with other software which would allow users to streamline their workflow further. The platform could be overwhelming for new users due to its array of features and options. It also requires internet connection, which could be problematic for users who need offline access. There's also a lack of personalization options, meaning you might not be able to personalize it exactly how you want. There's also no time tracking, and this means that you can't track time within the app. And finally, limited functionality. Some users have found the functionality of Todoist to be very limited. So is it right for me? Whether Todoist is right for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a task management tool that offers natural language recognition, allows you to organise tasks into different views, and integrates with other tools, then Todoist could be a good fit. It's trusted by millions of people worldwide, and has a proven track record of helping improve productivity. However, it's always a good idea to try out a few different task management tools to see which one you prefer. Many of these tools, including Todoist, offer free versions or trials, so you can test them out before making a decision. Ultimately, the best tool is the one that you find most intuitive and enjoyable to use, and that effectively supports your productivity and task management needs. So this has been my honest review on Todoist, and hopefully now that you've watched this video, you understand everything that Todoist offers, and you should be able to work out whether it's a good fit for you. I also hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.